Okay, what we're going to do today is program the Marantec D384. Now this process is also the same for the Marantec D382, which is just the 2-button variant of this remote. Now the programming we are going to do is from a master remote to a remote that has just come brand new. Now it's very important to remember that you need to have a master remote. If you don't have a master remote there, then you will have to program a new one. So if you have a Marantec garage door opener and this is the only remote that you have, the new one that you've just received, you will need to make this into a master, and then once you've made this into a master, you can then program all subsequent remotes from it. So in this case, the one on the right hand side is the master. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little 6-prong remote programming adapter that comes with them. I'm going to plug them in, put them in nice and snug, then plug that one into that side. Now what you want to do is press and hold the button that is already contained the code, which in this case is this top button here on the right hand side, and then you're going to press the button that you want the code to be programmed into, which in this case is going to be this one on the left hand side here. So we'll press and hold that button there. We're going to press and hold this button here. Once it flashes like that, we'll let you know that it's been programmed.